Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I have this exciting little green booklet to talk about. I'm sure you're wondering what it is. Well, this is the ultimate guide to your patented full arch stackable guided solution called CHROME GuidedSMILE. This is the Bible of the entire process, the entire protocol for you and your dental team when it comes down to how CHROME GuidedSMILE works, starting with records. So there's pages in here that shows you exactly what records to take for the initial appointment, depending on the patient's current condition. So the records are in there. Then it goes through the componentry. So it goes through each component, the function of the component, and this gets you and your team on the same page as far as, especially day of surgery, when you're referring to the different pieces and parts. Not that many pieces and parts to CHROME GuidedSMILE, by the way. It's a very simplistic system as far as the componentry is concerned. So very easy to get used to the different components, but you're on the same page day of surgery. You want to make sure that team's flowing and they know what to look for and what to ask for. And really ideally, if they go through this and they go through the protocols of each component, you're not asking for anything as a doctor. They have that next piece already waiting for you to seat in your hand to get move the surgery moving along nicely. So we have photos and the records to take, exactly how to take them. We have the different componentry and how to do that. There's also different QR codes in here. As I flip through, there's one right there. So a QR code on most of the pages brings you to a video on our website to go over that particular component or that particular process. What else do we have in this Bible? We're going to have the different surgical and restorative protocols. So it discusses bone reduction, it discusses what to look for, what not to do. On the restorative end, there are multiple ways to restore a full arch CHROME GuidedSMILE surgery on the restorative end. So there's different options there. So this is covering the restorative protocol as well. There's pictures, there's video, it steps you right through. Chairside service, yeah, we offer it. We love providing chairside service because we know that surgery is going to go nice and smooth. But your team member can learn how to do the conversion. It's a very simple conversion with CHROME GuidedSMILE, and all they need is refer to this book here, and it's going to tell them exactly how to get through that conversion. As you leaf on through, you're going to come across a page that says GuidedSMILE University. So what is GuidedSMILE University? Well, this is a comprehensive 6 hours of AGD PACE certified CE for you and your team. There's a doctor track and then a team track. So you guys kind of go your separate ways, and in the end, you all come together with a perfect surgery where you guys are all on the same team. You know the componentry, you're talking the same language, and everything is moving smoothly because you've gone through the ultimate guide, the Bible to CHROME GuidedSMILE, and then of course, the AGD PACE certified CE on GuidedSMILE University. Highly recommend taking the CE and of course going through this again. This is just to help you and your team out, make everything great the day of surgery, nice and smooth, get the patient out of the chair a little bit faster because you've done your homework with the CHROME book and GuidedSMILE University. If you have any questions, please let us know. One more thing I actually want to point out is this covers the dual CBCT scan protocol. That's one of the things that gets cases held up the most is a dual CBCT scan. We get a ton of questions on that. So this tells you exactly how to take it, part of the records section of this book, of this Bible for you. And then there's a QR code right to videos to that dual CBCT scan too. So any questions, give us a call. We would love to do a full arch case with you. Let's jump online. We'll do a webinar. We'll send you the booklet. There's an ebook. There is CHROME University. We're here to support you and your team to get you through your first case and beyond. Please give us a shout. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.